is May 21st, 2020, approximately 71 days since the pandemic began. We are somewhere in Montana, heading out to Mount Hood, Oregon.
What up, dude? We are about to enter Oregon.
Alright, everybody, if you got a drink, come on. If you got a drink, come on. Everybody in this party, if you got a drink, I want to see it right now. If you got a drink, I want to see it right now. Ready? Here we go. Cheers. Cheers. Sipping cocaine like a beer. I'm in London, so I'm screaming cheers.
Security patrol on the move. What is he trying to secure and patrol? I'm not sure. Fortunately, we're not gonna be able to ski tomorrow, but hopefully we can get a reservation tomorrow. I'm not sure what the hell I'm doing. Guess we'll get to camp here for the night. I really hope we can ski in the next few days. Not feeling confident about it. Everything's closed around here. Reservation will arrive in less than 1 minute. All right, 2 p.m. Boom! It's live. Online reservation ski. Have you or anyone in your group been diagnosed, been in contact with someone, or has been diagnosed or been in contact with someone who may have been exposed to COVID-19 in 14 days of your visit? No. Have you or anyone in your group experienced any? No. Please. God damn. What does that mean? We were too slow? Like what? What do we got here?
Billioj, zucchini, onions, and let's season that bitch up with some avocado oil, balsamic, garlic, salt, pepper.
Beautiful Clear Lake, Oregon, baby. Tried to make reservations to go skiing tomorrow, and didn't work. I guess it was filled up after 4 minutes. I don't know what the fuck. We're gonna try again tomorrow. A little rainy out here in Mount Hood National Forest. It's pretty Oregonian. Oh, yeah. Looking cozy, looking cozy.
Oh my god!
Alright, 1:59, any second. Ready? Alright, boom, I'm back. Go back and then do it again. Come on. Turns. I agree. Submit form. Damn, 201? You gotta be kidding me. Does it not work for you? What is going on, bro? How do these people do it so fast? Got the truck right there. Today, we're setting up a tent. Oh, shit.
Give me your tent.
We're breaking up. We got a nice little fire pit set up. Shit, yeah. Woo-wee. Falls, bro. That's the shot.
And luckily the golf course is at least open. Yes, you got to socially distance. Yes, no lost in April.
Yeah, try this.
You said, and again, it was what I reiterated.
I'm making some jackfruit, which is going to be shredded soon. Cheers.
Park it, let's go. You gonna be safe?
I'm going to touch history. Wow, look at all this.
Damn, bro, you would be thirsty.
nomination. Look at that book.
No, it looks like a giant dick.
Oh, I thought you meant it looked like a book. Should have brought like our soap and stuff in our bathing suits.
Yeah. Wait for it. Wait for it. Go. Alright, the race is on. Boom.
Here in the woods. Figure we might as well give it one more go. See if we can get reservations to ski. It's doubtful, highly. Fucking hope. It's rigged. It's rigged.
Just go. Boom. Smith. Holy shit. We got it. Thank you. Form submitted successfully. Did it. Let's see. Online submission. Online reservation. Dude, I think we're going ski tomorrow. Holy shit.
That's what's up, my dude.
Oh, dude.
We're the best.
Mark Ferrari.
Gotta get this stick ready for tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
We're going skiing tomorrow, baby.
Looks like that's where the snow is. Dude, look how the fucking cloud is going. Oh shit. It's going down now for real. Damn. Oh, it's for real now, bro. About to go ski.
with it. We out here, Timberline, Mount Hood, Oregon. Oi, oi, bae. What you doing? Oi, bae. GoPro. Oh my. GoPro, stop recording. Oh yeah. After a hard day on the slopes, we deserve a hearty meal.
That's right.
It's chilly in the tent.
We're watching Blue Crush.
Oh, dude.
Check it out. We've got freaking snacks, dude.
Boom. Packing up out here on the little zigzag river. Let me show you what little spring cleaning in the truck looks like mid-trip.
Oh yeah. Got the stuff out to dry. You got Brianna in the back working on some shit. What are you doing?
Fixing the mattress.
All right, now we gotta get underneath the bed. We're gonna clean out the dirt. Spring cleaning.
The final edition. Timberline. Been there.
Right here or up here?
Ooh, up there.
Up here, right?
Yeah. Art, yeah. Voila. Until you get to a gas station. What spot it is.
Another spot. You got it though?
I'm not doing a good job.
Bad boys go to heaven. Good girl, go to hell.